Ketogenesis is a process in which the liver converts fatty acids into ketone bodies, which can be used by other organs for energy. This happens when the body is in a fasting state and no longer able to produce enough glucose from non-carbohydrate sources via gluconeogenesis. This process occurs after beta-oxidation. The purpose is to save glucose for the brain and red blood cells, while the other organs can utilize the alternative source of energy. However, if need be, the brain could use ketone bodies for energy. Adipocytes release fatty acids into the bloodstream, where they are transported by lipoproteins to cells that can utilize them, such as the liver. They enter the cells by the process of diffusion and go through the process of beta-oxidation, in which the fatty acids get activated and are then taken into the mitochondria of the cell, where they form acetyl-CoA. If there is a high amount of oxaloacetate, the acetyl-CoA molecule will enter the Krebs cycle to generate ATP. However, in a fasting state, oxaloacetate goes outside of the mitochondria to produce glucose via gluconeogenesis. This reduces the amount of oxaloacetate available to be used in the Krebs cycle. Therefore, acetyl-CoA is unable to enter the Krebs cycle to generate ATP. As a result, acetyl-CoA builds up in the mitochondria and so undergoes ketogenesis to make ketone bodies. This occurs in the mitochondria of a liver cell. Acetyl-CoA molecules combine to form acetoacetate, which is a ketone body, which produces two additional ketones: acetone, which is a spontaneous reaction that releases carbon dioxide, and beta-hydroxybutyrate, which is driven by a high concentration of NADH molecules. The ketones are then released into the bloodstream, where they are able to be dissolved into the bloodstream due to the hydrogen bonding that occurs with the carbonyl functional group. They are then taken in by the cells that can utilize them, such as the muscle and brain cells. From there, the ketones are converted back into acetyl-CoA molecules, where they can enter the Krebs cycle to generate ATP.